but HR as a function works upon the mental well-being of the employees. So when I had joined Tata, I was very clear that I wanted to join an organization which is employee friendly, which knows that if you have to get productivity out of the employees, it is very important that your the work life balance of the employee is also something that will have to be valued. And I eventually chose my employer. I eventually ended up being with an organization that is an absolute fit for my personality. It has got nothing to do with my role. My role is different. My role is into talent management, but my values, that is employee well-being, work life balance. So that is what the organization fitment is. That is just one example that I'm trying to give. There is one answer to this question, and that is peace of mind. So we have seen the corporate setup. Corporate setup has always been very good in terms of paying well, and in terms of monetary benefits, we know how corporates work. But post COVID, what organizations are working upon is bringing in policies for employees' mental well-being.
What if there are two or four qualifications and I have half of them? So what would I do? I would accept it or reject it. I have exact half of them.
You should accept it. So, Kana, very, very good question. So, it so happens that the organizations, most of the times what they do is that they want two, three, four qualifications, but they are not very strict around that. Even if you have two to three qualifications, it is up to the organization whether they accept your candidature or not. But as a candidate, you should of course accept and not reject such opportunities, because you are having 50% of what is required.
Ma'am, how do you manage so many employees and the employees' moods?
How do I manage so many employees is what you're asking.
Yes, ma'am, and their moods.
So it is basically, how do I manage it is a very, very beautiful question. Like I told you, first of all, the key is to be a good listener. Okay, people come to you, they want to talk, they want to share things, what's going on in their life. How do I manage? It is a very simple technique. I first hear them out. I manage my day in a manner that if someone is coming to me, I have to give 15-20 minutes to that employee. Okay, understand that. Okay, how if he's in anger, I will not take that anger, but I will give a structure to the discussion so that his anger can be, he can be calmed down.